Hello traders. Today I am going to share with you Tradingview buy-sell trading strategy. First we open GBP NZD. In 15-minute time frame. This strategy we need two moving averages. First 9-period moving average. And second 50-period moving average. If 9-period EMA cross 50-period EMA downward, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1:1. We won this trade. If 9-period EMA across 50-period EMA upward, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. We place stop loss previous low point. Set profit target 1:1. We won this trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1:1. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you with the next strategy.